Hello brothers, welcome back to my channel. I just want to show you what TDC means. TDC, when you actually use it to replace the cam cover, or maybe the gasket for the cam cover, or maybe the pulley, or anything that you need to replace this within the engine block and also cylinder head. Let's say you want to replace the gasket. You have to remove the cylinder head, of course, and you put that on TDC, which is that one. I'll show you what I'm talking about. That's TDC in there. Here I put the I painted two white, so it's easier for me to locate it. When you actually rotate them on the clockwise, so it will once you do that, the the piston on 1 and 4, if you get a 4 cylinder, they need to be exactly like this, okay, before you remove the cylinder head, and the cylinder head need to point on that side, okay. It's crossing it. Now I'll show you what I'm talking about, okay. Okay, this is what it looks like when you remove the cylinder head. The the two rod has to be pointing on that side. The intake has to be pointing on that side, and the exhaust pointing on the right side, as you can see here. Now, the way you look into it, you can see this one, that one, that one. That one's pointing down. This one's pointing on the left. This one's pointing on the right. This one's pointing on the top. Let's say about 10 o'clock. This one's pointing about 2 o'clock. Okay. This one pointing on the, I think around about 5 o'clock. This one pointing about 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. And this one pointing about on 6 o'clock. Okay. So you know that you are on the right track when you put it back, the cylinder head. Okay. Thanks for watching.
You don't want to miss my video? Make sure to ring that bell.
Say what?